Hello guys, welcome back to App. For today's video, here we're going to show you how to add quick links in Shopify. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So you might be looking for a way to start adding quick links into Shopify store. Well, this one is fairly simple. So first things first, you want to go to shopify.com, log in into your account. Now, go ahead and access your Shopify store's admin page. You want to go to online store, and you want to go ahead and click on the customize button that you'll be seeing here. Now this should open up your editor. Now what we need to do is we want to go ahead and go to our footer here. Just a idea, let's go and select it. Let's go ahead and basically add a block. Let's go and click on add block. And from here, you have a bunch of options. So you have brand information, text, image, but what we're looking for is going to be menu. Let's go ahead and select this. Now this will add in this case, the quick links that we are looking for. So if you're not aware yet, quick links are just menus that you could add here. So basically in this section, you could go to the right side, change the heading for it, and choose whichever menu that you want. Now you could already edit the existing menu here if you want. You can go ahead and choose one if you want. So you could go and click on replace here. Now you can create your own menu if you want. Choose already existing. But in this case, just make sure to click on save at the top right to save your changes. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Up. Thank you for watching.